I'm standing on the only bridge in China where humans and wildlife share the same way. This pedestrian path is designed for humans to cross the road, taking up just 1/10 of the bridge. And this part, full of greenery, is designed for wildlife to cross, taking up about 9/10 of the surface.
Shenzhen is a megacity with one of the world's highest numbers of skyscrapers.
Yet amidst this vertical metropolis,
a real forest corridor, Kunpeng Trail No.1 Bridge, quietly opened at the end of 2023. To attract small animals, this wildlife passage includes rock piles and gravel paths for shelter and movement, birdhouses in the treetops for rest, and over 80+ species carefully chosen as food sources. January 23, 2024, 2:17 a.m., an infrared camera captured something remarkable. A wild leopard cat, a nationally protected species, quietly crossing the highway. Since then, cameras have recorded hundreds of crossings, including wild boars and other wildlife.
This is not just a bridge, it stitches two forests that have been separated by a highway for more than 20 years.
And the world noticed. China's Foreign Ministry spokesperson Lin Jian shared this bridge on social media X. Why? Because it answers a question many cities face. Does development have to come at the cost of nature?
Shenzhen's answer is no. When a leopard cat chooses to walk across this bridge, it means the city has learned to make room for nature. Developing while protecting, protecting while developing. This is not just a slogan. It is written in the footprints of the leopard cat. I'm Stephanie, reporting from Shenzhen, watching China and watching the world.